Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Please introduce. My name is Bill Saufi Fadiliansyah. I am here to explain about pesticide contamination in coastal and marine environment. Pesticide understanding. A pesticide is a chemical used to control or kill plant disrupting organisms such as pests, diseases, and weeds. In general, pesticide can be classified by the type of target they want to control. Type of pesticide. 1. Insecticides, used to control insect or plant destroying pests such as worms, caterpillars, and aphids. Example: permethrin, cypermethrin, imidacloprid. Fungicide, used to control diseases caused by fungi, such as growth, leaf mold, and rot. Example: Mancozeb, trifloxystrobin, azoxystrobin. 3. Herbicide, used to control weeds or wild plants that interfere with the growth of major plants. Example: glyphosate, paraquat, and atrazine. 4. Rodenticide, used to control rats and other destructive mammals. Example: Brodifacoum and warfarin. 5. Acaricide, used to control mites and other small insects that attack plants. Example: Acaricide and abamectin. 6. Nematodes, used to control nematodes, parasites, microorganisms that damage plant roots. Example: Phosphotiazide and oxmal. 7. Bacteria, used to control diseases caused by bacteria in plants. Example: copper sulfate and streptococcus. 8. Virus, used to control diseases caused by virus. Example: ribavirin, alt less commonly used in agriculture. Source of pesticide contamination. 1. Excessive application. Excess or on-dose of pesticide can cause residual pesticide to contaminate soil, water, and air. For example, excessive spraying of plants can cause pesticide to flow into waterways or to be sucked up by air and spread to surrounding areas. Washing and fertilization. The pesticide applied to plants can be washed away by rainwater or irrigation flowing into surface waterways, rivers, and lakes, and fermenting the soil until it raises groundwater. For example-nya, pesticide containing disulfide chemical can contaminate groundwater, salt, or bodies of water used by the public. Evaporation. Some types of pesticide have volatile property, especially at low temperature or humidity. Thus, of evaporation, pesticide can be dispersed into the air and pollute the surrounding environment. 4. Erosion of land. Soil erosion caused by rain or human activity and carry pesticide from the surface of the soil to large bodies of water. For example, pesticide applied to agricultural and can be carried by the flow of rainwater into rivers or lakes, which the cause pollution. Using incomplete plants. Application of pesticide to incomplete plants or under inappropriate addition might increase the risk of contamination. Example, spraying of the plants in strong winds can cause the plant to spread to unwet surrounding areas. 6. Pesticide waste disposal. Waste from unused pesticide product, packaging, or remaining applications that are drawn directly into the environment is also a source of pollution. Pollution by product and metabolism. Some pesticides undergo chemical change upon application, product toxic by product or metabolites which can pollute the environment. Example, some activity ingredients in pesticide becomes into more toxic, more trouble compounds in the environment, leading to the accumulation of pesticide in ecosystem. Water and air contamination. Large amounts of pesticide in agricultural areas often pollute with natural resources, such as surface water and air. Example, windborne pesticide can pollute the air and precipitate on non-target plants or unwanted areas. Concentrasi or burden of pesticide contamination. Factor affecting the concentration of pesticide policy. 1. Pesticide application level. The dose or amount of pesticide used will determine the concentration of contamination. Excess use of pesticide result in the higher concentration both in soil and water. 2. Physical and chemical property of pesticide. Pesticide with water-soluble property. For example, glucose. Then to be more soluble and transported by rainwater on irrigation into waterways and soil. Pesticide with high volatility and can be evaporated into the atmosphere, leading to the speed and pollution of the air. The effect of erosion and percolation of soil. Wasting of pesticide by rainwater or irrigation can be the pesticide, the depth of the soil of water. This policy can last a long time, especially if the pesticide accumulation in soil or groundwater. 4. Accumulation in organism. Pesticide can accumulate in the body of exposed organism, either through direct consumption or through the food chain. This will increase the burden of pollution in the ecosystem. 5. Time and duration of export. The long pesticide survive in the environment, the more likely it is to occur higher and more sustained policy. Some of the indicator or parameter used to measure the pollution load include 1. Residual concentration in the land. Measuring of pesticide residue in soil is performed to determine how many pesticide remain after application. A high concentration indicates a significant pollution load. Method: testing soil sample with liquid or gas chromatography to dissect residual pesticide. Pesticide concentration in water. Measurement of the concentration of pesticide in surface water. or groundwater may indicate the degree of water pollution caused by the application of pesticida. Methodnya testing water quality using chemical analysis technique to detect the presence of pesticida and calculate their total concentration. 3. The burden of pollution in the air. Air pollution can be measured by monitoring the concentration of pesticida that evaporate or spread in the air after application. Air monitoring technique use air sampling and chemical analysis to measure the concentration of pesticida dispersed in the atmosphere. 4. Bioaccumulation in organism. Some pesticida can accumulate in the organism body. Policy allowed measurement can be performed by testing the concentration of pesticida in expert animal, fish, or plant tissue. Method chemical analysis on organism to detect the accumulation of pesticida in their body. Effect of the pollution load. 1. Impact on human health. Pollution of pesticida can cause short-term or long-term health disorders, chronic disease, cancer, nervous system disorders, and reproduction in humans. The impact on ecosystem. Pesticida that pollute soil and water can damage soil microorganisms, fish, pollute insects, and other flora that depend on the quality of a health environment. Water source contamination. Pollution of pesticida in water source can affect the availability of clean water for human and animal as well as for other countries. Effect of pesticida contamination. 1. Effect on human health. Acute poisoning. Direct exposure to large amount of pesticida can cause acute poisoning which can cause symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, dizziness, difficulty breathing, and even death. Some pesticida, such as organ phosphates and carbonates, can interfere with the central and peripheral nervous system, causing symptoms such as convulsions, seizures, and motor coordination disorders. Cancer. Long-term exposure to certain pesticida has been linked to an increased risk of cancer, especially lymphoma, leukemia, and breast cancer. Reproductive disorders. Certain pesticida, such as atrazine, can interfere with the hormone system and affect fertility, cause developmental disorders in the fetus, and cause abnormalities in babies born. Respiratory and skin system disorders. Exposure the pesticida can cause irritation to the respiratory tract, skin, eyes, and allergy that can trigger asthma and dermatitis. 2. Effect on ecosystem. Pesticida often not only attack pest target organisms, but also affect non-target species such as pollinator, insect, fish, bird, and soil microorganisms. For example, insecticides used to eradicate pests can kill bees that are essential for pollinating plants. Food can disorder. Pesticida that enter water on soil can accumulate in the organism body and move through the food chain. This can cause serious disruption to upper level organism. Soon, a predator the feed on contamination organism. Pesticida can damage soil microorganisms that are essential of natural processes as decomposition for organic matter, nitrogen fixation, and formation and humus. This can decrease soil fertility and disrupt agricultural productivity, water pollution, and water ecosystem. Pesticida carried by rainwater on irrigation can contamination river lakes or aquifers, threatening aquatic ecosystem. Fish, amphibians, and other aquatic organisms can be exposed to pesticida, leading to population decline or even species extinction. 3. Effect on biodiversity. Action of pesticida can reduce biodiversity, as some understandable species can become resistant to pesticida, while other species that depend on the existence of certain organisms can be endangered. Pollinator population decline. Pollinators as bees and butterflies which play an important role in pollinating plant are particularly susceptible to pesticida. Decreasing the number of pollinators can disrupt the pollination process and limit the production of agricultural crops. 4. Effect on agriculture and plant production. Hama resistance undercurrent of pesticida can lead to the development of resistance in pests, which make pesticida less effective. This forces farmers to use higher dose or search for new, more dangerous pesticida. 5. Effect on air and climate. Air pollution. Evaporative pesticida can be mixed with air and spread to a wider area, causing air pollution, and interference with air quality and human health. 6. Social and economic effect. Economic loss for farmers. Excess and ineffective use of pesticida can result in economic loss from farms. For example, the cost of purchasing more pesticida, increased pest control costs due to resistance or contaminants agricultural product that called now to be used. Management of pesticida contamination. 1. Ways and effects use of pesticida. The use of pesticida must be in accordance with recommended doses and species need. Use of excess of certain inverted doses might increase the risk of contamination. Selective of pesticida. Use pesticida that only target desirable organisms, reducing impact on the species such as pollinator insect or natural predator of pests. 2. Integrated pest management approach. Plant rotation and closing plants. Using plant rotation can reduce the dependence on pesticida by breaking the life cycle of pests. Conflict plants can also help control weeds and pests naturally. 3. Pesticida resource management. Pesticida residual testing. Testing of agricultural and environmental products. To detect residual pesticida present after application may help monitor the level of contamination and ensure product safety. 4. Education and training for farms. Education for the use of safe pesticida. Farmers should be given adequate training on how to apply safe pesticida, proper dose, proper timing, and method of managing the risk of contamination. Attention on policy risks. Edukasi farmer about potential dangers from pesticida, policy to the environment and human health, and its impact and agricultural sustainability. Sustainability. 5. Water and soil policy management. Water and soil policy management. Soil erosion control using soil conservation techniques such as direct manufacture soil control plants of efficient irrigation system can reduce the wasting of pesticida into waterways due to erosion. Planting restraining vegetation. Planting contamination vegetation around agricultural areas to prevent pesticida from flowing into waterways. Plants such as grass or shrubs can help absorb and reduce contamination from surface stream. 6. Use of environmentally friendly technology. Precision spray technology. Using precision pesticide application technology. Source and sensor-based or drone-based spraying with can target pesticide application only in areas where naturally reduce wastage and environmental impact. Developing your using biotechnology based pesticida that are more environmentally friendly, such as pesticida that decompose quality and have little or unsaid effect ecosystem. Use of organic basic pesticida using organic alternative, such as essential oil, plant extract, or controlling microbes with air safe for the environment and on target organism. Government regulation and policy. Application of strict regulation. The government shall impose strict regulation on the usage of pesticida, including maximum limit on pesticide results in agricultural products, safe application, production, and restriction on the use of hazardous chemicals. That more or less my explanation. Thank you. See you.